Welcome to Healing Bite. Today, we take you to the heart of Colombo 10, the Maradana Fruit Market. A colorful paradise where the aroma of ripe mangoes, juicy pineapples, and fresh bananas fill the air. Here, you'll discover the vibrant flavors of Sri Lanka's local harvest, the smiles of hardworking vendors, and the bustling energy that makes this market truly special. Let's explore the freshness and culture together, only on Healing Bite. The Maradana Fruit Market, located in Colombo 10, is one of the city's busiest and most historic trading spots. Nestled near the heart of the capital, this market connects farmers from rural villages with the daily life of Colombo. From early morning until late afternoon, it becomes a hub of freshness, flavor, and cultural exchange. As you walk deeper into the Maradana Fruit Market, your eyes are greeted with a rainbow of colors. Bright red rambutan, golden pineapples, deep purple mangosteen, and fresh green guava, all laid out in vibrant displays. Each fruit carries the taste of the tropics, harvested with care from Sri Lankan soil. What makes this market truly special is not only the freshness, but also the health benefits hidden in every basket. Mangoes rich in vitamins that boost your immune system, papayas filled with natural enzymes that help digestion, and juicy oranges packed with vitamin C for daily energy. Every fruit here is nature's own medicine. And then, of course, there is something every Sri Lankan is proud of: the banana. Sri Lanka is home to dozens of unique banana varieties, from the sweet and creamy Ambil Kesel, the small but flavorful Sini Kesel, the long golden Kalakutu, to the firm Ambu Kesel that can be enjoyed both ripe and unripe. Each variety has its own taste, texture, and even cultural significance. Bananas are more than just a fruit here. They are part of our meals, our traditions, and our healthy lifestyle. This colorful abundance reminds us that food is not only about taste, but also about healing the body and nourishing the soul. And in places like this market, you can truly experience the richness of Sri Lanka's natural bounty. Fruits are more than just delicious. They are powerful sources of healing for the body. Every color you see here represents unique nutrients that protect and strengthen us. The bright yellow of bananas is packed with potassium, helping to regulate blood pressure, support heart health, and give us instant energy. Papayas, with their vibrant orange flesh, are rich in antioxidants and enzymes that aid digestion and keep the skin glowing. Mangoes, known as the king of fruits, are filled with vitamins A and C, essential for eye health and a strong immune system. Pineapples not only refresh you on a hot day, but also carry bromelain, a natural compound that reduces inflammation and supports healthy joints. Citrus fruits like oranges and mandarins are nature's vitamin C bombs, boosting immunity and protecting us from colds and infections. Meanwhile, guava offers more vitamin C than most fruits in the world, along with fiber that supports healthy digestion. And let's not forget the tropical delights like mangosteen, rambutan, and jackfruit. Mangosteen is often called the queen of fruits, prized for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to fight free radicals. Rambutan is rich in iron and vitamin C, supporting healthy blood circulation. Jackfruit, with its golden pods, provides natural energy, protein, and nutrients that strengthen muscles and bones. Together, these fruits form a natural pharmacy. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure nourishment from the earth. Eating a variety of them daily can improve immunity, protect the heart, keep digestion smooth, and give you long-lasting vitality. This is the true beauty of Sri Lanka's fruit culture. Every bite is a step towards a healthier, more balanced life. Colombo 10, Maradana, is not only a center of trade, it is also a reflection of Sri Lanka's rich cultural and religious diversity. Here, Sinhalese, Muslims, and people of many other communities live and work side by side, creating a vibrant social fabric. The fruit market plays a special role in this harmony. For the Sinhalese community, fruits are a part of daily life and spiritual traditions. Bananas, coconuts, and mangoes are offered at Buddhist temples, symbolizing purity, generosity, and gratitude. Every festival, from Vesak to New Year, is filled with fruits that bring families and neighbors together. For the Muslim community, fruits also carry deep cultural value. Dates, rich in natural sweetness, are especially important during the holy month of Ramadan, when they're used to break the fast. Fresh seasonal fruits are also a daily reminder of health, balance, and blessings from nature. In Maradana, these traditions blend together in the fruit market. Here, farmers, traders, and buyers from different religions meet with smiles, kindness, and respect. What unites them is the freshness of the produce, the trust built over generations, and the shared belief that food is a gift that must be appreciated. This market is not just a place to buy and sell. It is a living example of unity in diversity. Every basket of bananas, every pile of mangoes, every bunch of grapes tells a story of people working together beyond religion or culture to nourish a city and preserve traditions. The Maradana Fruit Market is more than commerce. It is a bridge between communities, a heartbeat of Colombo 10, and a reminder that fruits are not only about taste, but also about connection, culture, and harmony.
Behind every stall is a hardworking vendor with a unique story. Some have been here for generations. Continuing
මේක තමයි මම මෙයා අඩු මදිනේ අඩු මදිනේ මොකදර පිළිලා තියෙනවද බස් පළතුරු එළවලු ලංකාවේ කෑම ගැන थैंक यू भाई අඩු ඉනේ වෙනතර පිටලා තියෙනවා හා මිනිස්සුත් නැහැ ආරම්භික ආර්ථිකයට ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න